Hey everyone, and welcome to Zen Zone Health. You know, I'm passionate about making sure you have the right information to stay healthy. Today we're talking about something that's been on everyone's minds lately, keeping those groceries clean during COVID-19. It's a topic that can cause some anxiety, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We're breaking down 7 essential tips, easy to follow steps to make your grocery shopping a little safer. So let's dive right in.
All right, tip number 1 might seem obvious, but it's important. Wipe down those grocery packages. In today's world, cleanliness is more crucial than ever. We often overlook the fact that our groceries have been handled by multiple people before they reach our homes. Think of all the hands that have touched those boxes, cans, and bags before they reached your cart. From the factory workers to the store employees and even other shoppers, countless hands have come into contact with your groceries. Now, I'm not talking about a quick swipe. Really give them a good once-over with those disinfectant wipes. Take your time to ensure that every surface is thoroughly cleaned. This extra effort can go a long way in keeping harmful germs at bay. Pay attention to corners, lids, and any handles. These areas are often overlooked but can harbor a lot of germs. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. The key here is contact time. It's not just about wiping, but allowing the disinfectant to work its magic. You want the disinfectant to sit on the surface for a bit to do its job. This ensures that any bacteria or viruses are effectively killed. Check the instructions on your wipes for the recommended contact time. Different products may have different requirements, so it's always good to be informed. And remember, guys, we're not just doing this for ourselves, but for our families, our loved ones, especially those who might be more vulnerable. Elderly family members, young children, and those with compromised immune systems rely on us to keep them safe. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference. Every little action we take contributes to a healthier environment for everyone. So let's be proactive and wipe away those germs. By taking this simple step, we can ensure that our homes remain a safe haven for our loved ones. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep those wipes handy. This next tip is a fundamental one, but it's easy to forget in the hustle and bustle of unpacking those groceries. We often get caught up in the excitement of restocking our pantry or fridge, and it's easy to overlook this crucial step. Always, and I mean always, wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling your groceries. This simple act can make a world of difference in maintaining a healthy home environment. Think of it this way. You're creating a clean break between the outside world and your home. The outside world is filled with countless germs and bacteria, and you don't want to bring those into your living space. Before you even touch those grocery bags, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This ensures that any germs you may have picked up along the way are washed away. You know the drill. Sing happy birthday twice. Get those fingertips nice and clean. Make sure to scrub between your fingers, under your nails, and up to your wrists. And once you've put everything away, it's time for another round of hand washing. This second wash is just as important as the first, as it removes any germs that may have transferred from the grocery items to your hands. It's a simple habit, but it's one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. By making this a regular practice, you're taking a proactive step in protecting your health and the health of those around you. So, lather up and stay safe. Remember, clean hands are happy hands. Make it a routine, and soon it will become second nature. Your future self will thank you for it.
Now let's talk about those reusable bags. They're great for the environment, but they can also harbor germs if we're not careful. Make sure you're washing those bags regularly, especially if you're using them for groceries. You can toss them in the washing machine with your regular laundry, or give them a good scrub with soap and water. And don't forget to let them dry completely before using them again. Think of it like this. You wouldn't wear the same clothes after going to the gym without washing them, right? Treat your reusable bags the same way, especially during these times. It's all about maintaining good hygiene practices in every aspect of our lives. Okay, this next tip is all about being mindful while we're shopping. It's crucial to stay aware of our actions, especially in public spaces like grocery stores. It's so easy to absent-mindedly touch our faces, but it's one of the main ways germs can enter our bodies. Our hands come into contact with countless surfaces, picking up germs along the way. So, While you're browsing those aisles and picking out your produce, try to be extra aware of your hands. Think about all the items you touch, from shopping carts to produce, and how those germs can transfer to your face. Keep them away from your face, especially your eyes, nose, and mouth. These are the main entry points for germs, and avoiding contact can significantly reduce your risk of infection. If you need to scratch an itch or adjust your glasses, use a tissue or your sleeve instead of your bare hands. This simple habit can help you stay healthier. It might feel a little strange at first, but it's a small change that can make a big difference. Over time, it will become second nature, and you'll be glad you made the effort. Remember, we're trying to minimize contact with potential germs as much as possible. Regularly sanitizing your hands and being mindful of your actions can go a long way in keeping you and others safe. Carry a small bottle of hand sanitizer with you and use it frequently, especially after touching surfaces. Wipe down shopping cart handles before use to reduce the risk of germ transfer. By taking these precautions, you can shop with confidence, knowing you're doing your part to stay healthy and protect those around you. Stay safe and happy shopping.
Those shopping cart handles, we've all been there. They've seen a lot of action, and they can be a breeding ground for germs. So before you start loading up your cart, take a moment to sanitize that handle. Most stores now provide disinfectant wipes at the entrance, but it's always a good idea to carry your own just in case. Give the handle a thorough wipe down, paying attention to the areas where people typically grip. And if you have a little one with you, avoid letting them lick or touch the cart. It's all about creating a barrier between those germs and your family. Now let's talk about fresh produce. We all love our fruits and veggies, but it's important to give them a good rinse before enjoying them. Even if you plan on peeling them, it's best to rinse them under running water before you do. This helps remove any dirt, debris, or potential contaminants that might be on the surface. You don't need to use soap or special produce washes. Just plain old water will do the trick. And while you're at it, give those herbs a gentle rinse as well. It's all about enjoying those fresh flavors without any unwanted extras.
All right, last but not least, let's talk about unpacking those groceries. Before you bring those bags inside, designate a clean area where you can unpack everything safely. This could be your kitchen counter, a table, or even a designated spot on the floor. The key is to have a surface that's been cleaned and disinfected, creating a clean zone for your groceries. Once you've unpacked everything, wipe down that surface again just to be safe. It's all about creating a clean break between the outside world and your home environment. So there you have it. 7 simple yet effective tips to make your grocery shopping a little safer during these times. Remember, it's all about being proactive and taking those extra precautions to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Zen Zone Health for more health tips and advice. And as always, stay safe and healthy.